Collin Stevenson. I work for Nexus IT Consultants, and my recommendation is for Nexus IT Consultants. I am a Tier 2 IT consultant technician, and I just basically wanted to talk about what a great company this is to work for. I've worked in a lot of different tech positions before, and in this position, I felt truly welcomed and have been learning all that I really can. It starts out quick and we hit the ground running, but a lot of the support that we get is truly instrumental to our success. My team leads, my managers, my coworkers, everyone at the company is just absolutely wonderful to work with and always helping to help you learn and grow. So yeah, again, I have a huge and high recommendation for Nexus IT. Before my previous position, I was at a company that didn't have a great feel or fit for me, and based on my skills and what I had been doing. But Nexus was more than willing to take a chance on me, and that spoke volumes about the type of company that they are. To me, being able to find a job, especially in today's kind of market, can be a bit tricky and a bit scary as well. But again, Nexus had no hesitation of wanting me to join. Everyone I met with, very kind, very welcoming. And again, all the kind of tools that they have placed in front of me to be able to learn and grow and adapt have been amazing.